A sectional is a great way to customize your living area for any size room from big to small. With multiple configuration options and the versatility to adapt to any space, a configuration like this might be just what you're looking for. Sectionals are also a great anchor piece to start building layers to your room. What I love about this space is the layering of colors starting with the rug. The spicy mustard and the rust orange colors really play well with the brown tones of the sectional and are also carried through to the accent pillows. The coffee and end tables add a ton of character with the reclaimed wood tops, but are also sleek and clean with the metal base. This design is also seen in the bookcase and combined with the abstract artwork, provide a statement for the room. If this space inspires you, you can find this sectional and everything in this room at American Furniture Warehouse.